most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Shaw, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
And once again, I'm the man in black today.
Strong like bulls.
Strong and bull. Okay, today we're going to talk about suspension training you can do at home for way less money. And we're going to show you 10 exercise examples.
10.
Yeah. So
Excellent.
There's a lot of devices out there for doing suspension training.
Right.
And you're going to see the examples of how we use it. And Brad and I have started using this in our individual workouts.
Right.
Really have liked it. Really, it's been a great addition.
Exactly.
And substitution in some cases
Sure.
for other exercises.
But
they can be very expensive.
But what about...
Oh, by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, we're giving away something really great this week. Go to bobandbrad.com, go to the giveaway section. Mm-hmm. We're giving away an LT1, I believe, Freestepper. It's a recumbent type of elliptical.
Right.
Really nice. It's worth like $700 some.
Right.
It's a nice really
device.
Well made. Quiet, whisper quiet. You couldn't hear that thing?
You can watch TV on low volume.
And you can talk to your spouse if that's what you want to do.
Well, yeah.
Okay, don't say it. All right. You can also go to Facebook. The contest will be pinned to the top of the page. Go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of our program. So where were we, Brad? So we're talking about there's a lot of products out there like this. Mm-hmm. Most of them, I think almost all of them are more expensive. But the thing we like about Flige, F-L-I-G-E, really high quality products.
It is.
They do not spare anything. They don't cut corners.
Right. In my language, from where I use, I would say they're industrial duty. They are really, they're not going to fall apart. Commercial duty. Yeah. Exactly right.
So show how well this adjusts, Brad, because this is really key when you're using suspension. Is that it has to be able to adjust easy and be safe.
So they got numbers on here, and you simply push the button. It's got a real nice friction lock it's knurled in there, all in steel. It's very nice. And you can adjust so you're even on both sides. If we go to 8 here, you simply go over to here, drop this one down to 8, do your exercise, bring it back up. You want to go back up to 1, Bob?
Yep, go back
there
up
we
to
go.
1.
Yeah, and they even put the nice little elastic strap on here to keep things nice and neat and tidy.
Because I've seen some that look like they have just plastic on there, and I'm sure they work fine, but this is not going to go anywhere. I mean, and this is rated for 400 pounds. Now, putting it up, there's a lot of different ways to do it. Like today, we actually just took the 2 straps and put them through a bar, or put them around a bar. But there's a device that you can use to put it up in a doorway.
Right.
And close the doorway on it. There's this device where we're going to show at the end of the video.
Right.
But we're going to show how this can be used.
If you've got some framework at your house, like a squat bench or something like that, you can use that. You can use
a truss
in your basement, depending on your ceiling type.
Yeah, there's different options on how to do it, because you want to make sure it's steady. Because like this can hold 400 pounds, but if the device you're putting it to doesn't hold 400 pounds, you're in trouble. So the price of this, by the way, Brad, from what I see right now, it's about $70, but they had a 20% coupon too.
Oh.
I can't guarantee that's going to be there when this video comes up, because I don't, they change prices all the time. Other ones that were about twice the cost of these.
Sure.
So it's really a great bargain if you think you want to try suspension training, but you don't want to spend too much money to start off with.
Right.
So let's show Brad. I'm going to show the first exercise.
Oh, absolutely.
By the way, they include 4 exercise bands with it.
Loops, the loop bands, which is really nice for hip and workout.
So really hard to do pull-ups at home for a lot of people. Do you hear my knees crack, Brad?
Yeah. What are you going to do? Take a nap?
Yeah. No, you just start in a kind of a seated position here.
Okay.
And now what's nice about this, I can do some pull-ups like this. Now, it's not full weight pull-ups.
Right.
But it's great for someone who hasn't been doing pull-ups.
Sure.
You can work into them. But even if you do them, you can do a lot more. And you can it's just another way to train.
Sure. So it's a modified pull-up.
And one thing you're going to find out with doing all of these exercises, suspension training, you're really working your core.
Right.
I mean, that's the key beauty to this.
I really enjoy that when you get that core workout, you don't have to do it later. You know, you get
Right.
it all at once.
Yep.
And it's functional. It's going to cross over to daily life.
Yeah, I just found it to be fun.
You want-
Why don't
you want me to do
show-
something?
Yeah, why don't you do a couple? We'll do the pec fly,
Oh, yeah.
and you do triceps too, right?
Yep. This is the way I really like doing my triceps. Now, actually, this would be a beginner tricep because it's not too hard.
Yeah, if you wanted it harder, you'd make it longer, and you'd go further down.
Are we going to show
Right?
them that now or
If
later?
you wanna, you can show it.
Yeah, because it
What
really
number
made
do you want to go to?
bring it down to 7. And it's nice
7?
that people can see how
Yeah,
easily
see how easy that was?
Yeah. So if you bring your feet out, it's easier. As you bring your feet closer to the wall, it's harder. I'm going to tighten up my core, keep my elbows straight, and I think I could have went lower. I think I could have went to 8, but
what a brag-
once
what
I
a
get to
braggart,
10.
what a bragger.
Yeah. Oh, and then from here, we do flies. And another one I do like to do, especially for my other shoulder, is I come over this way. And this is more of a range of motion, not a big strengthening,
Interesting.
but it really stretches your pec major and your pec minor, and then you can work this. So you get range of motion, strengthening exercises. That's just a little additional
Well,
one I want to
since we're
throw in.
at the lengthened position here, Brad,
Sure.
let's go down even a little bit further.
Oh.
Let's go down to 9.
Oh.
And I'm going to go down on the floor, and I'm going to do inverted rows.
I do this one too, Bob. I like this
Quit
one a
bragging,
lot.
you don't.
I do too. I'll show
So,
you.
is that what you do?
Look at that. He's got really nice form. You're straight like a 2x4.
I could usually do about 10 of these, and then I rest and do a few more because I get fatigued.
Yeah.
So, but you're really working your back too. You're working the upper traps.
Boy,
and-
I
yeah.
notice it right in here on those
So-
multifidi.
Now you do biceps this way.
Oh, well, yeah, exactly,
I'll
Bob.
let you do biceps.
I have a
Let you jump
ball.
in.
I want to show people this. I don't recommend people do this, but I like to do this. I like to slide down there.
Of course you do.
That makes it fun.
Of course
so
you
I
do.
do these, and then I walk up, and then I do my biceps like this. And it really works, the core and those biceps. You want to see? Let's get a close-up of that bicep that I want to show off there.
Oh, good
I'm just
Lord.
kidding. I'm just
How about
kidding.
in that position, Brad? Can you do what high rows?
Oh.
Kind of like that. Yeah, like that. There
Yeah.
you go.
And again, you can adjust the resistance
Yeah, you
by
can
your
make these easier by just standing up straighter.
or foot position too. And if you go wide, it's a little different as well. So there's lots of modifications that you can do. I like this. I don't do this one yet, Bob. I'm going to add it. Really good for this inner scapular
Yeah,
muscle.
this one,
Oh,
I haven't done that one myself. Now I'm going to see if I can do this, Brad, because this isn't set up for me. I'm going to put my feet in there.
yeah.
So,
Right.
do you do this one at all?
No, I've tried it, but I haven't incorporated it with my daily routine
So I do
yet.
push-ups like this. I get all the way in like that, and then I do push-ups down like that.
Now they've done studies on this suspension training, and they've on core activation, muscle activation, and they've proven it. It makes sense, and they also proven how much core you're sagging a little bit. Bob.
Yeah, well then what I do, Brad, in between I do these.
Oh,
And these start burning your core. If you
ah,
want to burn the abdomen,
yeah.
you do some of these, and then you go back to these again.
I'm telling you what, Bob, they look kind of goofy though.
Do they?
Well, I don't know what
And
the
then you
people
go
say.
like this,
Oh, nice.
and do some out like this. And these look goofy.
Well, I don't know. This is a personal
I
thing.
saw Mark
Maybe it's just-
Wahlberg doing these. Mark
Oh.
Wahlberg was doing these
Well,
and then these.
yeah, but he doesn't look goofy doing
Yeah,
it.
I know. So that gives you some examples. There's many more you can do.
Yeah.
I'm tired now. Okay, we made the promise, Brad. We forgot. We did the ending, and we should have done this first. We're going to show you this little adaptation device
Right.
that you can actually, it makes it longer.
Right.
So in this case, we actually have the pipe going through the loop here.
Right.
You can take this, let's say you have a 2x4. I'm going to put this through here. And let's say the 2x4, the branch is right here.
Yeah.
I could go right around that, and that would hold it in
So
place.
you're cinching it.
Yeah, I'm cinching it in place.
Yeah.
Right.
You wouldn't want to go less than a 2x4. A 2x4 better be a good, healthy
Yeah,
one. 2x6 would be better. And then you go down to we've got the adapter clip here. And these are really nice. These are all
Yeah.
heavy duty.
Heavy duty, commercial again.
And You just tighten it up there so it locks in very strong and very safe. And
So you can see, and again, this could all attach to the door.
Right.
Also, there's the door adapter.
For sure.
But you see, it makes it quite long. Works out well, especially if you have a higher
ceiling,
right?
Yep, and a place to adapt it
Yep.
up there. So very good.
Yep, give it a try.
We want it to be complete.
So remember, Brad and I can fix just about anything
except for
a broken heart.
And these are not going to do anything for that.
No, they're not going to help.
But they're going to get the
cardio a
core
little bit
strong.
too.
Yeah, you're tired. That's good.
Yep. Thanks for watching.